Kids Zone with Trishy. Baby Shark, the Shark Tooth Fairy. Baby Shark, Mommy Shark, Daddy Shark, Grandma Shark, Grandpa Shark, Shark Tooth Fairy. Good morning, says Baby Shark. Baby Shark smiles. Something is different. Baby Shark's tooth is gone. Baby Shark lost his tooth. Baby Shark does not like to lose things. He will look for his lost tooth. Baby Shark looks around the sand castle. The tooth is not there. Baby Shark looks under a rock. The tooth is not there. Has anyone found my tooth? Cries Baby Shark. Baby Shark is afraid to tell Mommy Shark that he lost his tooth. Will Mommy Shark be mad? Will she be scared? Or will Mommy Shark be happy? Baby Shark doesn't know. That night, Baby Shark has a bad dream. He dreams he lost all his teeth. He was toothless like Grandma Shark. When Baby Shark wakes up, he is sad. He needs to tell Mommy. Baby Shark swims to Mommy Shark. Mommy, my tooth is gone, he says. Mommy Shark hugs Baby Shark. She is happy. It's okay, says Mommy Shark. The Shark Tooth Fairy must have taken it. Mommy Shark smiles. Shark Tooth Fairy takes your baby teeth. Then she puts a coin under your pillow. That night, Baby Shark falls asleep. Then the Shark Tooth Fairy comes. The Shark Tooth Fairy leaves a coin under Baby Shark's pillow. Mommy Shark was right. When Baby Shark wakes up, he is so happy. Baby Shark swims to Mommy Shark. Mommy, look, I've got a shiny coin. Wow, says Mommy Shark. And in time, you will grow a new tooth. Thank you, Shark Tooth Fairy. The end. The end. Baby Shark, Mommy Shark, Daddy Shark, Grandma Shark, Grandpa Shark, Shark Tooth Fairy.